In this video, we'll walk you through what to look for when buying a 3D printer, so you can find the best device for you. With a 3D printer, you can easily replace small components from household appliances and devices that may be unavailable to you otherwise. Everything from action figure repairs to artwork is possible with the right 3D printer. Types of 3D printers. The two most common types of entry-level 3D printers are SLA and FDM. They are fundamentally different in how they operate and the materials they use. There are also many others, but they are often used for manufacturing or other industrial applications. FDM printers. FDM stands for Fused Deposition Modeling. These printers function by using heat to melt filament and create shapes, adding materials on the X, Y, and Z axis. They are mostly famous for hobby 3D printing and typically come in two types of frame construction: Cartesian and Delta. SLA printers. SLA stands for stereolithography. These printers use a chemical treatment process known as photosolidification to form the different layers of the final print product from the liquid resin. An ultraviolet laser hardens the desired print pattern into the material one layer of resin at a time. These printers deliver the highest quality prints with incredible details. Apart from these two major printers, there are other types, such as SLS, selective laser sintering, DLP, digital light processing, SLM, selective laser melting printers. SLS printers work similarly to SLA, but use laser and powder materials. DLP printers are also similar to SLA printers, but use ultraviolet light. SLM printers a high-powered laser beam to form 3D objects out of powdered metals, but they are more commonly used in universities and medical fields as they are ideal to create machine parts and complex geometry objects. Now let's understand 3D printing materials. First, filament. Filament materials come in many different variations. FDM printers use plastic filaments to print objects. However, two plastic print materials are very common. ABS acrylonitrile butadiene styrene is inexpensive material that is commonly used for kitchen objects and other basic items. PLA polylactic acid is expensive and is a bit harder to find than ABS. It's environmentally friendly and mostly used for food storage and disposable items. Second, resin. Resin print materials are a bit more abstract. Manufacturers may use different names, but typically three resin quality is there: standard, high-grade, and medical-grade resins. Standard is often transparent and affordable, yet still durable and excellent. High-grade resin is costly but comes with multiple color options and is also more durable than their affordable standard resins. Medical grade is not a good choice for home users and hobbyists. Medical grade resins are known for top quality print jobs, and they are way more expensive than other types of resins they are introduced for medical fields. Lastly, let's talk about the specifications. When buying a 3D printer, there are a few specifications that matter more than others, such as resolution, speed, supported materials, and print capacity. The lower, the better. The smaller the resolution of a 3D printer, the better quality of the finished product. The three dimensions of printing somewhat intricate and confusing, but all you need to remember is the lower, the better. Being fast is not always the most desirable trait. 3D printers with high print speed sacrifice quality to get to the final product faster. Slower devices take time because they are capable to deliver a complex final product. Material. Knowing how often you plan to print and the type of objects you intend to create can help you determine which types of materials you should use in your 3D printer. Print capacity. A 3D printer with a large print capacity is a must. This specification tells you the maximum size of printable objects for your device. Larger printers quickly rise in the base price and cost of printing materials. The choice is always yours, what you are planning to do with a 3D printer. 3D printers have quickly become commonplace at work and at home. From small toys to machine parts, 3D printers can create impressive objects. The best place to start is to decide what you are going to print and how often you will be printing it. No matter what choice you make, getting a 3D printer has many benefits. You can start your own business, sell online, learn new things, earn from and more. Follow us now on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest for our latest offers.